Understanding, Stay Where You Are, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common but crucial phrase in the English language. Stay where you are. This simple sentence can carry a lot of meaning and is widely used in various situations. So, if you've ever wondered about its uses and implications, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, stay where you are, is made up of a few key components. First, stay is a verb that means to remain in a particular place, not moving away. The word where is used to refer to a place or situation. And you are indicates the current position or condition of the person being addressed. Put together, the phrase is a command or request for someone to remain in their current location or condition. Emergencies. In emergency situations, stay where you are can be used to keep someone safe. For example, if there's a fire and it's safer to remain in a room rather than attempt to leave, you might hear this phrase. Instructions. This phrase is also common in instructions. If someone is giving directions over the phone and needs you to stay put to give accurate advice, they'll use, stay where you are. Games. In games like hide and seek, stay where you are can be a rule to ensure fairness. Conversations. Sometimes, in a less literal sense, it means to maintain your current opinion or stance in a discussion. The tone when saying, stay where you are, can drastically change its interpretation. In a calm, gentle tone, it can be reassuring. However, in a stern voice, it might indicate danger or an order that shouldn't be ignored. Additionally, cultural context can influence how this phrase is received. In some cultures, direct commands are less common and may seem rude without a polite addition like, please. Let's practice with some examples to better understand how to use, stay where you are. Imagine you're in a museum, and your friend starts to wander off into a restricted area. You'd say, stay where you are, we're not allowed in there. During a phone call, if you're trying to find your friend in a crowded place, you might say, stay where you are, I'll come to you. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, stay where you are, and its various uses and implications in the English language. Remember, context and tone are key to understanding and using this phrase correctly. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Stay tuned and happy learning!